Good morning, or better, good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock and I've just showered and I'm starting off my Italy vacation vlog right now. I'm currently in the process of cleaning my extensions. I've already been cooking. I've already been taking out my extensions, and I'm gonna share with you what I'm packing today since we're driving to Italy tomorrow. So I wanted to share with you, and I'm going to put on some eye masks at the moment. So these are the Belia eye masks. If you're from Germany, obviously you can get them at DM. I already cooked a soup for my dog because she's not feeling too good at the moment, and I also cooked something for my husband, his favorite food. And then I'm also gonna go grocery shopping, and I have a small little unboxing to do. So I'm gonna do that in this video as well. Alrighty, let's do the unboxing really quickly. So I have a Louis Vuitton box, and I have a new SA. So if you guys are from Stuttgart and are looking for an SA, she actually told me to give her contact in case somebody from my friends or something needs a new SA. So if you are in need of a new SA, then please write me on Instagram and I will hook you up. But she gave me this little booklet, and she told me it was kind of sweet. She told me so you can read it on your vacation. So I'm gonna bring this. It just has like pictures of new collections and kind of some inspiration. And then this is my receipt. So I paid 410 euros for this piece, just like the typical receipt. And then I haven't unboxed it yet. I have just checked like after leaving the store if the item is in there, but it comes in the box like always with a little booklet and a drawer box. And I have picked up the Victorine wallet in the Damier Azure, and I brought my Rosalie wallet. So you can see I actually wanted a bigger wallet, so I pick up this. And as you guys can see, it's quite a lot bigger, and I'm really excited about this. And I actually picked this up because now it comes with the shiny gold hardware, and the other ones like before that came with the leather button, and that always tended to like fray off because I have this 6-ring key holder and it looks really disgusting. So I have this and I'm super excited, and now I'm gonna put my stuff in there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's finished. Alright, so I've actually emptied out this one. So this one is totally empty now. If you guys want, I can do a comparison between these two if you don't know which ones to pick, because like it has some pros and cons. This one, for example, has a back slit pocket where I always used to put my ID, my driver's license. Sorry, I live at the airport, you guys know. So yeah, this is the little material card thingy, so I will keep that. And this is what it looks like from the inside. So it has these like 6 card slots. I've doubled up a couple of cards because I have more cards, and this one is for cash. And as you guys know, I always pay in cash. And then you have a little coin compartment here as well. So this is my new baby. I'm excited. Of course, both of them are with the rose ballerine interior. I think it looks so pretty. Yeah, so very happy. All right, so I'm traveling to Italy by car, so I can take a lot of stuff, but I usually always take my Samsonite little hand like trolley with me. And you guys already saw what I put in my makeup bag. I will overlay it in like fast paced so you guys can see what I pack in my makeup bag. And then I wanted to show you kind of like other things that I'm taking, like everyday essentials to get ready and skincare and things like that. So I have my little bag. I don't know how much is gonna fit in there, but I'm gonna share with you what I'm taking. So the first thing obviously is sunscreen. So I have 3 different sunscreens. This is for the face, this is 50, this is for the body, this is a 30, and this is a spray. I really like that. And then I have like a tanning oil, and I put that all in here. Then I have stuff for my hair. So I have a dry shampoo. Then I have a small hairspray, and I like these smaller ones because they're really handy. Then I have my heat protectant. Then I have a little spray to comb through my hair. Then I have a little hair oil, and that's the stuff for my hair and sunscreen. And then I put some more in my makeup bag. So I have my creams. So this one has my facial cleanser. this one is my night cream. I bought this day cream. I don't know how good it is, but it was small. Then I have my eye cream right there. Then I have, of course, deodorant. I have a razor and a new plate. I use the Venus Gillette Comfort Glide. I always take a new one. Then I have, of course, toothbrush and toothpaste and a mouthwash. And I always keep the little containers. Sometimes I'll just put them in the dishwasher and they come out clean. And then I have fragrance-wise, I have this one and I take a small little rollerball. All right, and off to the clothes. So obviously I need bikinis. So I have 3 pairs of bikinis. This is my first one. This is so cute. I got this in the US, little Victoria's Secret number. Then another Victoria's Secret number. I love colorful bikinis. And then I have a black pair. This is also Victoria's Secret. I love Victoria's Secret. And I pack that all into my suitcase. Then I have some slides. These are just for my course. These are my pool slides. I'm gonna put that into the suitcase as well. And then I have a little towel. This one is so cute. I got this in San Diego. It says San Diego right here. It's hot pink and I love it. And then I also obviously need a pajama. So I have this cute little short and top pajama set. And then we're gonna go off into clothes, of course. Okay, so this is how my clothes currently look. So I have some short and little tops right here. Also one more pair of shorts and tops, and I always put the bras on top of it because some shirts just need different bras. Then I have a skirt and a top. Then I have this cute little Zara dress that I wanted to wear in case we were going to Milan. This is day but also nighttime, so also with the matching bra as well as this. And this is my favorite Italy dress. It's a beautiful dress and I have the bra here as well. So I always try to structure it similar to this, so I have exactly the perfect amount of things. We're going for 4 days, so these are gonna be 1, 2, 3 nighttime things, and also this is during the day but can also transition during the night, and these are more like daytime things. And I feel like 3 bottoms and then 4 dresses are perfect for me because I always tend to wear dresses anyway. Okay, very short break from the packing situation. Do you guys mind my hair being so thin? I feel like it looks so much better with the extensions, but I kind of want to give them a break. Like if I do like my hair in a pony, I don't think it looks bad, but I'm not sure. So for lunch, I'm having just some leftover fruit and I got this nut little bun. So yum. Good morning, guys. It's 4:12. I actually wanted to be leaving already. Wanted to leave at 4, but my mom overslept. So I'm just chilling on the floor and I'm sharing with you. So I'm taking my Prada Canapa tote. I have another like Nike little sports bag that I'm taking. And then of course my trusty suitcase. This is so pretty, you guys. It's like rose gold. So I'm just chilling here, and do you know what? I just told you yesterday that I took out my extensions and I really missed doing like high buns like this. Yeah, we're always in the messiest room in the house. This is my office. It's always so messy. So I will hit you guys up when we're on the road and making our first stop. So we're basically driving down to Switzerland. The Swiss border is like around 2 hours from here. Then we're going to Italy and it's gonna be a 5-hour drive, so not too bad. I'm excited. Also guys, my friend gave me the cutest lip gloss. It's from Buxom. It's the color Samantha and it feels so good on your lips. It's like plumping. And do you guys see the shimmer? And it's not sticky on your lips either. It's just really good. So cute. 4 a.m. Okay guys, I'm in the car. I'm waiting for my mom. She is 45 minutes late. She's coming. All right, I'll see you on the road. coffee. And we're getting ready for Milan. We're gonna go to Milan. I haven't vlogged much yesterday, but we had a huge nap. Then we were laying in the sun. Then we went to have some aperitivo, and they gave us some snacks I will insert, and it was so much. They gave us 2 plates of that, and it was so much that we didn't even eat dinner. So we didn't eat dinner yesterday, and we just sat by the lake. Yeah, then we went to bed quite early, and now we're off to Milano. Hi guys, so it's day 2. And this is my OOTD. We're going to Como now, and then later we're going to the lake. So that's why I kind of wore something like this, so I could just quickly change into my bikini. And yeah, we just had breakfast, got a little bit ready, and now hoping to hit some markets so we can pick up some fresh fruit and vegetables. So we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the house. And this is actually the path we need to go up. It's quite steep because it goes up that hill and then that hill where the trees are, like these ones. And it's freaking hot, but it's super cute here. They even have goats. So yeah, if you're ever in the area and you want to check out the Airbnb, it's super nice. Hi guys, so we arrived in Como. Beautiful. And I went to the hairdresser and she did so well. Let me show you. It was 25 euros. And she washed it, cut it, and blow dried it. And I love it. Morning, last breakfast. You guys always see me when I'm like super tired and have puffy eyes. Anyway, yeah, we're heading to Germany. It's 8 o'clock. You can hear the church bells. I love that. Yeah, so we're gonna have breakfast. We're gonna have some more of that beautiful, yummy little self-made cake, and then we're heading to Germany via Switzerland. So we will drive the most through Switzerland, and I'm guessing it's 480 kilometers, which is like 300 something miles, around 300 miles. So maybe like 5 hours, hopefully. Fingers crossed there is no traffic jam. I'll see you guys in Germany. Hi guys, so I'm back home in Germany. I hope you really enjoyed my vlog. If you did, and if you want more vacation vlogs, then give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye!